Here I have VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap here, and here you can switch watermarks. So you can enable model watermark and also time watermark. So let's take a photo, for example, and as you can see now, okay, this one is too bright. Let's turn off flash, and as you can see, that's how these watermarks will look like. Timestamp and also model name. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.